So when it comes to actually requesting your credit limit increase, first thing you want to do is wait. So if you just got approved for a credit card, you'll have to generally wait 3 to 6 months before requesting your first credit limit increase. So during this 3 to 6 month time frame, you'll want to spend on your credit card just like a debit card and pay it off frequently to show a lot of activity. And once you hit that 3 to 6 month time frame, the banks will see this activity and be more willing to approve you for a higher credit card limit. You'll want to update your salary income information with your credit card company prior to applying. Another thing you can do is add your household income. So if you have a spouse and let's say both of you guys make $60,000 a year, you can update your income information to $120,000. You can also split your housing expense by the number of income earners in your house. So let's say there's 2 income earners in your household and the rent is $1,500 or the mortgage is $1,500 a month. You can put $750 on your credit card profile information. And the reason for doing this is that if you show high income and low expenses, you can typically get approved for a higher credit limit increase. This goes without saying, make sure your credit card balance is at 0 before requesting your credit limit increase.